Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can use night vision assist in your Porsche. This solution will work for the Porsche Cayenne, Porsche Macan, Porsche Panamera, 911, 718, Boxster, and the Porsche Cayman. So if you guys have any of these models, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. So first of all, just go here to the right side of your steering wheel. I'm gonna give you guys a closer look. Once you're here, as you can see guys, here in the left you're gonna find all of the sections, home section and so on. So just click on the home section, and then here you're gonna find the car app, or here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find also your car icon. You can click on it directly, and then once you're here, you're gonna find all of the options related to your car and driving experience. Here you're gonna find drive mode and so on. At the top, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of the sections: drive, assistance, trip, and comfort. If you go to assistance, here you're gonna find all of the assistant options that you have in your car, and you can also see the additional functions right here. Normally you're gonna find the night vision assist here with the additional functions, but as you can see guys, I don't have this option in my car. But if you have it in your car, you're gonna find it here. All you need to do is just go give it a click, and then once you see the check mark, it's gonna be enabled. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.